Bangalore, Brand Talk successfully curated and hosted the AISL Edition 2, 2024 in Bangalore, a highly anticipated summit that brought together key players from various industries to explore innovation, alternative investments, and sustainable lifestyles. The event attracted prominent business owners, entrepreneurs, investors, and family offices, fostering insightful discussions on new opportunities and industry trends. The AISL Edition 2, 2024 commenced with a lamp lighting ceremony. The day was packed with thought-provoking panel discussions and keynotes from esteemed speakers, including Anand Shah, Head of PMS AIF Investments at ICICI Prudential, and Siddharth Roy Kapoor, Founder MD of Roy Kapoor Films, who shared his insights on the intersection of media, entertainment, and investments. A standout feature of the AISL Edition to 2024 was the Lumiere Awards, which celebrate individuals who have enriched the lives of others and made significant achievements in their respective fields. This award holds a special place in our hearts as it genuinely recognizes the stalwarts across various industries.
I am Siddharth Roy Kapoor, founder and managing director of Roy Kapoor Films, and I'm very happy to be here today.
Siddharth sir, first of all, welcome to Bangalore. I just wanted to check, why are you in Bangalore today? Like, could you explain? Obviously, we have seen the keynote speeches, but for the public to know why exactly you are in Bangalore.
I'm in Bangalore at a conference organized by AISL 2024 to speak to interested parties who want to understand about alternative investments in different sectors. I'm sort of covering media and entertainment because I think it's very important that investors understand that what the potential is in media and entertainment going forward, and the fact that structured financing can lead to an incredible amount of value creation within the media and entertainment business, and I'm here to talk about that today.
You had a very interesting keynote that I recently learned about. So just wanted to check any new upcoming projects you need to talk about, any new productions you are having, any new films which you are going to release. If you could give some takes on that.
We've got Deva, which is an action thriller starring Shahid Kapoor and Pooja Hegde, directed by Roshan Andrews. That's releasing on the 14th of Feb. We're very excited about that. There's a show called Matka King, which is going to be on Amazon Prime later next year, starring Vijay Verma, directed by Nagaraj Manjule. And there's lots of other films and series in active stages of development, and we'll announce them as we go along.
Again, congratulations for the Lumiere Awards. Your thought on that, how was receiving that? Like, what were your exact thoughts? What were your exact feeling? How hard have you worked for it? We know it's a long career, but still, if you could just sum it up.
Sure. It's a great honor to receive any recognition from your peers and from people whose opinion matters. And I'd like to thank the jury for conferring the award on me. I'd like to look at it as motivation to be able to do much better going forward. So thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth sir.